Now what you can see has happened here is I'm right in the middle of a full-blooded Camtasia production, and I'm starting to get a frog in my throat. So if I play the offending section, you'll probably be able to hear what I mean. So that's quite attractive too. And again, you can go up and you can see that once I have cleared my throat, my voice comes back okay. Quick mouthful of water, and I'm back in the saddle. The problem is that now in the middle of this, I've now got this area where I've coughed. So what I'm going to do now is, the first thing to do is to click on that little button there. What that does is unlocks the audio from the video. Now, it's not the sort of thing you want to do lightly, because sometimes it's handy to have the audio going around with the video, but what you can normally do is actually leave this until you've done the entire video and then come back and do this. But I'll do this now. So yes, I agree, I want to unlock them. Now unlocked. Now what this means is I can lock the video so nothing will change there, and I can then remove that cough. I've still got to have the bit where my throat starts to give out, but that doesn't matter too much, not so noticeable as the cough is. I'll then press S on the keyboard, and that then splits the thing. I then go up to just after the cough, and again what I can do, instead of using S on the keyboard, there's another way, which is up here, which is click on that and that will split it too. Has the same effect. I then click on that area there and press delete. Then if you come back, there's no cough. So that's quite attractive too. And again, you can go up and make sure you got the right colour. So you can see that that's a very, very handy little trick there for you. And then all you've got to do then is just simply unlock the video track. But if you do this in that sequence, then do be careful, because you now haven't got any linkage between the audio track and the video track. So they'll have to be handled separately. For more like this, and tips on every aspect of making money online, go to unfairadvantageclub.com.